Hello students, hope you have read the poem. So who can tell what is the poem teaching us? Yes, it is teaching us to be helpful and make things easy and better for our future generation. So let's see it stanza by stanza. Page number 13, The Pilgrim.
Reciting the poem, the name of the poem, the title of the poem is A Pilgrim. A pilgrim going a lone highway came at evening, cold and grey, to a chasm deep and vast and wide. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. The chasm held no fear for him, but he paused when he reached the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. Old man, said a fellow pilgrim near, why waste your time in building here? Your journey ends with the close of the day. You never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build ye here at eventide? The pilgrim raised his old grey head. My friend, indeed, there followed after me today a fair-headed youth who must pass this way. The chasm which had no fears for me had to fair-headed youth may a pitfall be? He too must cross in the twilight dim. My friend, I am building this bridge for him. Written as anonymous. Okay, so as we are done reciting the poem, you might have not understood what the poet and his feelings are, but you will surely understood by end of this session completely. So let's begin with the analysis of the poem quickly. But remember two things while reciting the poem. Two things you should learn while reciting the poem. The first thing is the title of the poem, and the second thing is the name of the poet. It will make your appreciation writing easier. Okay, so two things you have to learn it right away, that is the title and the name of the poet. So moving ahead, a pilgrim going a lone highway. Now over here, the pilgrim going a lone highway. Pilgrim going a lone highway. When we talk about lone highway, lone over here means a highway which is deserted. Okay, where there is no one. And what does the word pilgrim means? Pilgrim means a person who journeys to some sacred place. Okay, for religious reasons. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना चार धाम यात्रा पर जाना. Okay, that is called a pilgrimage. और जो ये pilgrimage पे जाता है, जो ये यात्रा पर जाता है, उसे कहा जाता है pilgrim. So here there was one pilgrim who was going a lone highway, who was walking on a highway, a deserted highway alone. Okay, moving ahead. Came at evening cold and grey. As you can see, while the pilgrim was walking, now the sun is going to set. The evening is already there. And how is the evening? Evening is cold and grey. Over here, the grey means quite dull. As the sun has already about to set, the sky has become dull. The evening is looking very cold and grey. Grey means dull. To a chasm deep and vast and wide. Okay, what does the word chasm means? Chasm means a deep or a narrow opening in a rock or a ice. In our case, we are talking about the rock. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, students, there is a chasm there. Chasm in a simple word, I can say, खाई जो होती है ना, दो रॉक्स के बीच में एक बहुत बड़ा सा गैप होता है, द खाई व्हाट वी कॉल, और द वैली व्हाट वी कैन से. ओके, सो यहाँ पे वो खाई, वो वैली की हम बात कर रहे हैं, दैट इज अ chasm. Okay, now while pilgrim was walking, it is already evening. He has reached to a point where there is a chasm, and this chasm is very deep and vast and wide. Okay, as you can already see on the screen, students. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. Now this old man, already it was evening, and in that twilight dim, the old man has crossed that chasm. Now what does twilight dim means? Twilight means that soft glowing light which falls from the sky. when sun is below the horizon. To make it simpler, ये जो sunset के आसपास का टाइम होता है या sunrise के आसपास का टाइम होता है, तो आप स्काई में देख सकते हो वो completely sunny भी नहीं होता, completely dull भी नहीं होता. Okay, so the period of dawn or dusk, that is the period known to be as a twilight. Okay, where there is a glowing light coming from the sky. So in that twilight dim, the old man has crossed the chasm. You can see on the screen, students, there are two rocks and in between there's a river flowing. So the old man has crossed the chasm. The chasm held no fear for him. As you can see on the screen, students, the chasm held no fear for him. Okay? He paused when he reached the other side. He paused for a moment. He waited over there after crossing the chasm. Now you students must be thinking कि अब तो old man ने cross कर दिया है chasm. Why is he waiting over there? Let's see. After crossing the chasm, he paused over there. Paused means to stop over there. What did he do after stopping there? And built a bridge to span the tide. Yes, my dear students, the old man, after crossing the chasm, he stopped over there to build a bridge. Okay, he built a bridge so that during the time of tide, during the time of rising or the falling of the sea, the chasm can be crossed easily. So that's the reason the old man was building the bridge over there. He built a bridge to span the tide.
Span the tide means to cross the tide. Now dear students, this is called helping nature. He could have walked away from there and reached his destination, but he spent his time and toiled hard for others. Now for whom did he toil and build the bridge, and who opposed him? That we will see in the next part. Now take down the homework, write the meanings in your classwork book and read the lesson. These are the meanings. Write them in your classwork book and submit it to me when the school reopens. Till then, take care and have a nice day, and don't forget to read the lesson. Bye. See you.